Welcome back to another video and happy Vlogtober. So I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my makeup section, my vanity. This is going to be a spooky makeup vanity tour. Let's start off with my rug. I got this rug from Temu. I forgot to show this rug in my Halloween haul on my other channel, on my spooky channel, but here it is. So yeah, I got this off of Temu. This first drawer right here, I have all of my bronzers and I have them organized. So you guys seen me organize these drawers already. So those are my bronzers. Here are my blushes, organized so nicely. I love it. I love this section right here. And then here are my highlighters. I got way too many. This is ridiculous. I still haven't got this spot up. Like, get it together. But these are my highlighters. This section right here is my Shop My Stash. So these are all of my Shop My Stash eyeshadow palettes. And then these are all of my setting sprays. Over here, this is where my lip gloss and lipstick tower is at. I have some makeup brushes over here. So I have like 3 containers right here. Really quickly, I'll show you guys my lip products. So these are my liquid lipsticks in here. And here are some of my lipsticks in here. I got MAC and Proper Beauty Supply. I just got a bunch of different brands. And then this is my favorite drawer right here. And then, oh, now it's farting. And then I didn't even know I had all of that back there until I opened this today. I was like, what is that? So some more lip glosses, and then I got Fenty Beauty on the side right there. And then this little thing right here, this is where I keep all of my beauty sponges. It's like a big old thing, you know. And then I have some more brushes. I got a lot of brushes. Those are my skulls. This is my newest skull in my collection. Some more brushes back there. And I'm just giving you guys an overview of everything. That is my wallflower that I really put in the wall. And then these are my face palettes, and we're not gonna talk about that. Listen, I got a lot of press-on nails, and as you guys can see, it's overflowing. I did not even try to organize for this video because I can't. I ain't got no room. This is just my little lamp area. You guys have seen this before. I got this. I'm pretty sure some of you all have this, but I got this from Bath & Body Works like 2 years ago, I believe. And yeah, this is probably my 3rd time ever turning it on because I be forgetting about it. So yeah, that's there. And then underneath my vanity, I have my stool, and I just got some extra stuff like extra sponges and, girl, a bunch of stuff. And then my other just storage, girl, and then my candles, and then just some papers. And then I got papers up here, and then these are all of my Ioni lashes. This goes 2 layers. So yeah, I got 2 layers of Ioni lashes, and yeah, I have a problem. I got more lashes. Y'all know this. This ain't nothing new. This like 3 layers here. Okay. And then, oh, more lashes. The problem is problems on top of problems. That's all. Yeah, more lashes. So I don't need any more lashes at all. So yeah, that's everything. And then in my drawer up here, I just have all of my mascaras. So I have all of my mascaras and eyeliners and eyebrow pencils in here. And then I have like some tools, some like eye tools in here, and pomades and eyelash glue. Like a rhinestone picker, which I will be using it for this month. Eyelash glue. And then I just got some samples that I need to take out of here. And then I just got some like putty primers and bases for my eyeshadow. And then just some more random stuff in here. These are the lashes that I'm currently wearing right now. So that's in that drawer. Just all of my essentials. I have this little tray. I got this from the Target dollar spot. Basically using this tray as a catch-all tray. So I just have like my cute little spooky sponges up here. This is Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas. And then I got Ghostface. I can't remember. Dang, I can't remember that brand that I got this from. Oh my god, I can't remember. But anyways, at the time they were selling these. I think that was like last year. And then I just wanted to, and then these are my everyday earrings. And then I just wanted to put like some spooky lip glosses up here. This is from Milani. This is from their Ludacris line. And this is from ColourPop with the Nightmare Before Christmas. And then this is my lip oil that I wear all the time. And yeah, it's just a coffin tray. And you could use that for whatever. I actually think it's a serving tray. And then over here I have my makeup bag. So lately I've been switching out my makeup bags, and this is like basically all of my everyday makeup in here, but I do need to switch it out because I want to put my fall makeup in here. And this is makeup that I had from the summer, like towards the end of the summer, so I need to change all of that out. I changed the makeup bag, I just didn't change the makeup. And I've been using this makeup bag and I've really been loving it. I got it from Temu and I'm going to keep using it for spooky season. So I got that. And then this makeup bag right here, I got this from Amazon like a few years ago, maybe 3 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. And then I just have my coffin shelf up here, and then I have just a little picture from Dollar Tree. It's a little crooked. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, but that's from Dollar Tree. I might change that. I might have a spooky picture or something that I could put up. I do. I forgot I had this. Okay, stay spooky, okay? Make sure you stay spooky. All right, I got this from, I want to say Ross. I think like a year, maybe 2 years ago. So yeah, I got that from Ross. I really like it because it's nice and simple, and I like that it's gold, so it goes with my room. And then on top of these acrylic drawers, I just have these skull makeup holders. I showed this one on my spooky channel, but you guys haven't seen this one yet. I got this from Marshall's for $7.99. And I just have my, I got my, okay, I got some glasses back there. I didn't know that. And I just got my mirror in there, and these are some more brushes. This is just random stuff. This is just some stuff that I hauled from Temu. A bunch of makeup brushes, and I got all of my lip liners in there. So this is not organized at all. I got some Windex. Like it's not organized. Like this is random. So and the reason why it's not organized because I'm ordering another one of these drawers so I can separate everything. So, and then I just have my powders in here. So I'm just briefly showing you guys, and then I have all of my foundations in here, and these are all of my primers. I don't have a lot of primers. And then hold on, I don't know why that wouldn't open. And up here I just have makeup wipes and this Clinique Take the Day Off, and then this is also a like makeup remover. So just some random stuff, and then some more wipes, just random. And then these are my concealers in here. Back here I just have this clear like plastic acrylic little holder. It came with some makeup sponges. And last but not least, here is my vanity mirror. This is the part that I like to decorate on my vanity. And yeah, so all I did was I took some spider webs, some fake spider webs from Dollar Tree, and just, you know, fix it up to my liking. And then these bats here, I got from Amazon. And all you do is just put the sticky tabs on the back and just stick it. And I just have a little spider right there. Yeah, and I thought that was so cute. And I just put my little I think these are from Wet n Wild. Yeah, Fantasy Maker nail polishes right there. I bought those for decor like years ago. This is from Marshall's, and I just have some you guys can see, but I just have some triangle puffs in there. I don't think I'm going to keep that right there because I think I like it better without it. You know what I mean? So I don't know. And then I have my fake candles. They're lit, okay? And so yeah, I just have to lift it up a little bit so I won't disturb the spider webs. And yeah, so all I did was just put the spider webs on top, and then I added some bats, and then I added this spider, and I did the same thing for this. I do wish that I had some more candles so it can be a little bit more spooky, but I'm not gonna buy any more. But I don't know if I want to, like, which I think that, so this might look better. Do you guys think the yellow lighting look better or the white? Let me know. So, and this is the cool tone as well. I don't know. What y'all think? I'm not sure. Oh, now turn it off. That is my vanity tour, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I hope it gave you all the spooky vibes. I am so happy with the way everything turned out. Subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober so far, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.